Hey there, remote workers. Today, let's tackle one of the biggest challenges of working from home, background noise. Whether it's barking dogs, loud neighbors, or kids playing in the next room, background noise can disrupt your focus and make virtual meetings a nightmare. But don't worry, I've got some practical tips to help you keep things quiet and professional. First up, location matters. Try to set up your workspace in the quietest part of your home. If you can, choose a room with a door you can close. A little distance from the noise can go a long way. Consider a mobile desk, extension cords, and even a longer Ethernet cord that can easily slide into a closet if needed. Next, let's talk about soundproofing. You don't have to remodel your home. A few small adjustments can make a big difference. Add rugs, curtains, or even throw pillows to your workspace to absorb sound. Some quick ideas. Fabric-wrapped panels. Frame fabric-covered panels filled with sound-absorbing materials like acoustic foam or mineral wool. Corkboard panels. Corkboard is a natural sound absorber and can be easily mounted on walls. Tips for soundproofing curtains. 1. Try heavy curtains. Use thick, heavy curtains to dampen sound transmission. Soundproof curtains. Invest in specialized soundproof curtains with sound-absorbing materials. 2. If possible, use soundproofing rugs. Thick rugs. Use thick, dense rugs to absorb sound. 3. Don't skimp on the underlayment. Add a soundproofing underlayment beneath your rug for extra noise reduction. Door and window treatments can make a huge difference. 1. Try weather stripping. Seal gaps around doors and windows with weather stripping. Door sweeps. Install door sweeps to prevent sound leakage. Furniture arrangement is a free and simple way to reduce incoming background noise. Try strategic placement. Arrange furniture to absorb sound. For example, place bookshelves or cabinets near walls. Try soft furnishings. Use soft furnishings like couches and chairs to absorb sound. Minimize hard surfaces. Hard surfaces like walls and floors reflect sound. Use soft furnishings and acoustic panels to reduce reflections. If you're feeling creative, you can hang heavy blankets on the walls or invest in foam soundproofing panels. Amazon has amazing portable egg crate and/or wedge soundproof booths that are inexpensive and a great way to muffle sound. You can also build your own soundproof booth with foam and presentation boards. These boards are surprisingly effective at drowning out background noise with the added advantage of being portable. Now, let's address the tech side of things. Noise-canceling headphones are a game changer. They're not just great for meetings, they can also help you stay focused by blocking out distracting noises. When looking for noise-canceling headphones, consider noise cancellation, effectiveness of ANC, active noise cancellation for low and high frequencies, sound quality, balanced audio with customizable EQ options, comfort, lightweight design with soft ear cushions for long use, battery life, long-lasting with quick charge options. Top-rated brands include Sony WH-1000XM4/5 for excellent ANC and sound quality, Bose Quiet Comfort Series for top-tier noise cancellation and comfort, Apple AirPods Max for seamless integration with Apple devices, Anchor Soundcore budget-friendly options like Q30 with strong ANC. If you're on a budget, there are plenty of affordable options that still get the job done. Another must-have is noise reduction software. Tools like Crisp or NVIDIA Broadcast can filter out background noise during calls. They're easy to set up and can make you sound like you're in a quiet office, even if you're not. Finally, consider white noise. A fan, a white noise machine, or even an app can mask distracting sounds and help you focus. Just make sure it's not too loud. You don't want to trade one noise problem for another. White noise machines offer a range of sounds, including white noise, brown noise, pink noise, and nature sounds. Experiment to find the sound that best masks background noise for you. Volume level. Set the volume to a level that masks background noise without being overly distracting. Placement. Place the machine near your workspace, but not too close to avoid direct sound. The great thing about this method is that you can hear what is going on in your home, but the customer or client cannot. And there you have it. With these tips, you can create a quieter, more focused environment for remote work. Let me know in the comments which tip you're going to try first, or share your own noise-reducing hacks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more remote work tips. Thanks for watching.